Hi guys, once again, I am RC from IT Tech Solutions. So, what I will show you today is I will going to replace the hard disk of this laptop, and I will also remove or change the battery pack of this laptop because it's already damaged. So if I'm going to pull the power cord or the power adapter of my laptop, it will shut down because the battery is now already damaged. Let's try to pull this battery. Ah, the laptop is power off because the battery cannot handle now the load of the system of this laptop. Okay, guys, so bear with me. I will change the battery pack, and also I'll show you also how to replace the hard disk. So this is a compact type of laptop, so there are screws uh, on this one. So inside is there's a battery pack. So not like the older version of laptop that the battery pack can be easily replaced or pulled up, going upwards. Just certain kind of lock. So this one is very compact, and the battery is inside this behind the screws. So let's go, guys. Bear with me. So all you need is a Phillips screw, a little Phillips screw. Then we will going to remove all the screws, and also you need also something like a sharp object that can go inside on the corner of the laptop in order to pull the cover. So let's go, guys. I will make it closer. Okay. So the lighting is not so bright, but that's okay. So yeah, we have screws. So remove all the screws, guys, first. So make sure that there's no screw when you pull the cover, because it will damage your laptop, or it will break your laptop hardware. Okay. So how many screws there are? But anyway, guys, this laptop is Intel i7, 8 gig RAM, and 1 terabyte hard disk. So I think that's enough for a higher specs. Yeah. But anyway, guys, this laptop has a problem with with the adapter of the hard drive inside before, and I already replaced this the hard drive. Then I put the because the hard drive, the adapter is already damaged and it cannot be repaired. So what I have done is I buy I remove the CD-ROM from this laptop, and I buy a caddy drive, CD-ROM drive, then put the hard drive into the caddy CD-ROM drive, then mount the hard disk to the adapter of the CD-ROM. So this one, this is the one it looks like, guys. So there's something space beneath. Okay. So also be careful, guys. If you think that all the screws already removed, you need to double check, because there are there are secrets on different kinds of laptop in removing the back cover. So this one, hold on, I will show you. This one is the secret of this Asus brand is there's a secret one screw covered with the call this one rubber, stand rubber, something like that. So yeah, we need to remove. No, not that one. So that it's different on the other side. So there's no screw here. There's no screw. So this is the side that has a screw, a secret screw. So let's remove the other one. So I already removed the rubber, it's called the foot of the laptop. So there's a screw, the secret screw. So be careful, guys. You need to remove this one because it will break your laptop if you suddenly remove the back cover, forcefully remove the back cover, then you did not remove the screw. Okay. So there are some screws that I need to remove. So this is the compartment for the RAM, physical RAM of the laptop. This one. So there's also one screw inside, so you need to remove that one before you remove the back cover. You need a little more light. Okay. So double check if there are screws. Yeah, there's no screw. So we can now start removing the. So I don't have any sharp edge, but much better if you have plastic sharp edge so that it will not damage the plate or the back panel, the back of your covering laptop. So I just use this knife. Oh, guys, so let's start here. So So now, guys, I just remove the back cover. Yeah, so I think, so this is the motherboard of my laptop. So let's remove the okay, guys, so let's remove the hard disk. So once again, guys, so this is the compartment of the hard disk before. So but the problem is the adapter for the hard disk is damaged. So I just buy a Caddy CD-ROM bay. So I use that CD-ROM Caddy bay to hook my hard disk so I can still use the laptop with hard disk. Okay guys, so what we are going to do now is remove the hard disk and replace with another hard disk because uh, I want to use. So guys, the video was cut due to lack of storage on my phone device. So let's continue. So this is the caddy drive, the caddy bay. So I have this. I have my hard disk inside. So I will remove this one. You just slide the caddy drive like a CD-ROM. So yeah. So voila. So guys, this is the hard drive attached in the caddy drive bay CD-ROM. So for those laptop right there, if you have problems with your hard disk, it will not detected with your computer. But your hard disk, if you hook that hard disk into the other computer, it will detect. So there's might be problem with your adapter, like what I have. So you can buy a caddy CD-ROM bay, then remove your CD-ROM in your laptop, then use this caddy and attach to your hard drive, so you can still use your laptop. So remove the screw. So there are 4 screws at the back of the caddy bay drive. So guys, I already removed the screw. Then you can slide the hard drive. Hold on. Ooh. So guys, here's it. Right, so I have a 1 TB hard disk. Yeah, that's 1 TB. 1 TB, okay. Seagate hard drive. So let's going to change that 1 TB hard drive into a SSD drive, 240 gigs. So anyway, that's fine, guys. 1 TB is enough, and 240 gig is enough. So there's no worry in storing my files. Okay, so you just put it here, put it in, then slide. Yeah, so it will click. So you can also mount again the screws, the 4 screw, to secure your hard drive. So this hard drive, guys, is empty. So when you turn your computer on, there's no operating system inside. So you need to do a format and install all over the applications that you need. So guys, so I have turned back the screw and my hard drive on the caddy CD-ROM bay drive. So let's put it here. Excuse me. So once again, guys, the CD room, hold on, has a lot dust. Is dusty? So I think we need to clean this up. And I have a blower. I will look first my blower so uh, I can wipe up all the dust. So I have a blower, guys. You can also use this vacuum blower if you want to clean like CPU, computers, uh, any electronic device that needs to clean if you have dusty electronic device, you can blow the parts so the dust will wipe out. Okay, guys. So I will. Oh. This one. Just remove dust. Also blow the cover. I think that's enough. So now, guys, we will remove now the battery pack. So we will replace this one because this one is already damaged. So I have bought a battery pack from Shopee. So this one, guys, it is compatible for my Asus X 556U model. So I bought this from Shopee, guys, around 1,140. So yeah, that's from so I bought this last March 12. Now it's July, so I just have the time to call this one to repair my laptop. So let's put it here, guys. So what we have here, okay, we will remove now the battery compartment. So they are the same. They are this one can fit to my laptop, so we'll remove the screw for the battery. One, yeah, there's only one screw. There's another screw, guys. So be careful, guys, not to force the components inside. Don't force remove that one because it will break. So watch out. Okay, yeah. So guys, it's pretty easy. You can just remove it easily. So if you take a look, guys, the old battery is something like yeah, there's some kind of a bump, or I think this already bloated. The battery pack is bloated already. So you see this one compared to the new one, that's pretty clean and plain surface. So pretty design. So there, no worries if you put this put this battery pack inside your laptop because it's they are completely the same. Okay, let's. So the conductor, this one, and also we have it in the mid and the copper conductor, so it needs to be fit in perfectly. Okay, let's have, yeah, you can just easily. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. You can now return back the screw. The other one, because only screw two screws, guys. Hmm. Maybe I can. Oh no, I think that's all. I think I need to add more screws. I can use the other screws from my laptop. Yeah, I think it's good. Oh.
Ako kalo.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we will just use one screw, guys. As long as the conductor is still intact or it fits with the battery conductor, so that's still good. So now we will put back the caddy adapter with my hard disk on it. Okay guys, so it's just easy, just slide in. You can just slide in, guys. So this one, I hope you can see that one. So this is the connector going to the laptop. Okay, you just slide this one, guys. Oh. Alright, so it's now fitted. Now guys, so let's start putting back the back cover. So Now we turn all the screws. Okay guys, I think we can have it turn on first. Let's see if uh, the battery pack is functioning. It's it connects with the motherboard. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it's functional guys. So we saw that the laptop is turning on without the adapter attached. So it's working guys. And let's check if we have the hard drive detected. So I have 8 gigabytes of RAM installed. Then okay, yeah, there's a SATA hard drive detected guys, if you can see that one. Yeah, so the hard drive is empty guys, so we will have to install the OS. Then let's going to format this one and install everything with the application. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. So after this one, I'm going to make a video on how to format or install a Windows operating system, Windows 10. Then walk you through installing the drivers and installing the softwares. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.